Hi everyone, so today we'll be doing something a little different. As you can see, I have a little special guest right here. It's a bunny rabbit. What we're making is this little bow that you can put, if my assistant will turn around, over their ears. And then they have a little bow. It's a little big for this one because I made it so that it'll fit my other rabbit whose ears go down and it needs a little bit more. So it's a little big for the one that goes up. But that's what it looks like. He's not happy. He's a boy. He doesn't like his bow right now. But yeah, you can make this. It's real simple. All you need is ribbon, pipe cleaner, little tiny chunks, and I've found you can use like elastic or something, but old worn out hair ties work great because it gives them a new purpose. Hey, sit back in your spot. He's trying to escape at the moment. And you can use scissors for cutting them, and they're also for another optional part, where if I just made this just for this rabbit, I would tie this a little bit, like in a knot, and then cut off the extra hair tie because it's too big. But since I want it to be more for my other rabbit and less for this one, I'm going to leave it this size. He's just chilling with me right now, so that's why he's here first. The other one will be later. What you're first going to need to do for making the bow, you can also just, if you don't want to make the bow, you can go follow my other tutorial on how to make this little luminant flower, and you can just basically tie this straight on to your thing, and then boom, you're done. I'll link this video at the end of this one, at the end of the video if you want to go watch it. If you want to make this bow, which you could make any bow you want and just attach it to the hair tie, put it on your rabbit, done. But this is the bow I'm making because it's really simple. No sewing, no gluing, just ribbon and pipe cleaner. What you're going to first need to do is fold the ribbon in half because about how big your bow is going to end up being. Because depending on if you have like a big rabbit, you want a bigger bow. If you want a small rabbit, you want a smaller bow. What you doing? I'm making it just kind of general because most of my rabbits are sort of the same size. And mainly for the other one anyways, because, yeah, this one's a boy, I think. Don't really know. And you want to take this, and you want to line it up to whatever you want your end size bow to end up being, which for me, I'm going for a smaller one because I made a little bigger one last time. So I want it to be a little smaller, just the variety, because they're exactly the same. And you can either just fold it and they'll end up smushed like that, which is how the other one looks, it's just folded once. Or you can fold it and then fold it forward and then fold it back like that, because then it's more neat looking. But for a rabbit, it doesn't really matter a whole lot. Come back here. He's trying to escape. He's very bored at the moment. You want to take a little bit of pipe cleaner. You don't need more than like 2 inches, maybe 3 tops. And you want to fold it in half like that. Then you want to open it up right in the center. Stick it right here, and then give it like a twist or two just to keep it all together nicely. And the next thing you want to do is take these ends, because it's going to hurt your rabbit, and fold them under. It's never going to be on your rabbit for very long, because you don't want to like leave it on them when they're just like sitting on their own. Focus, camera. Focus. I'm trying to focus on him and my hands. Got confused. It's just for like if you're taking like cute pictures or something. You're obviously not going to want to leave this on your rabbit for a very long amount of time because they can like get tangled in it and stuff. Next thing you want to do is take your pipe cleaner, put it around your hair tie like this, and you want to just take it and you want to twist this little bits together until they're like twisted where it's just a big wad. And then you kind of just pull this and figure out how it goes, and then boom, you're pretty much done. You just stick it over your rabbit's ears, and again, if you have it up your rabbit, your hair tie is too big around, it's not going to stay like nicely, which obviously doesn't matter because they're going to leave it there for very long. You could take the hair tie, like figure out how much you don't want, tie it in a knot, and then cut off the extra, but I'm just going to leave it like this. But yeah, you can tie anything onto a hair tie and then just put it on the rabbit, and then they're there. It's cute. Not sure how well you can see this here. He's not enjoying this, but he's okay. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream boy. Yeah. So now, let's demonstrate on a lop-eared rabbit. I'll be right back with my other rabbit, because then he's going to be gone. Bye! We're back, but this time I have a different special guest. The last one was Triple CDIC, or chocolate chip cookie dough marshmallow. Chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, not marshmallow. This one's marshmallow. As you can see, she's got lop ears, so she's going to demonstrate how it looks on a lop-eared rabbit. Or at least I think it is she. You don't really know. So here, you just take the thing. You get the rabbit to face you so you can get to their ears. for a Loppeed rabbit, you just pull their ears up, slide it down, and you let their ears go back into their normal place, and it holds it on much better than the ones with the up ears. Which this is why you need the one, if you have a Loppeed rabbit, you want the hair tie to be bigger because their ears pulled down, which means it needs more room. And then there, that's how they look. So cute. And it's not officially tied on, but I did tie this one onto a hair tie so you can see how it looks. Come here. Give me your ears. And you put the ears back down, and boom, she has a little flower. And with the fluffier rabbit, you can't really see the hair tie real much, so it looks like they just have like a flower on their head, which is really cute. Or at least I think so. But obviously, you don't want to leave it on them real long, like I've said a few times already, because like they could get tangled in it or find a way to get it around their head and choke or something. But for like taking like cute pictures of them for something, this is a really cute thing to do. You can literally tie anything onto a hair tie and put it on them, pretty much. Like any type of bow you have, you don't have to do this type of bow. It's just, I was showing what it is. I need to teach you how to make something. So yeah, if you like videos with my pets in them, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below. I was going to say comment down below which of the rabbits was your favorite, but I don't want to put you through that torture because I could not pick a favorite because they're both my little babies and I love them. So I'm not going to say that. Just comment down below your favorite thing about each rabbit. I don't know what mine is. I don't know why I said that. I just didn't want to make you pick your favorite rabbit because they're too cute. So yeah. I want to ask the people to subscribe to us. Please subscribe. Bye.